Yeah, my people, so I want the pineapple chicken back ready, you know. Pineapple, curry, chicken back with fried breadfruit. You can see pineapple skin there, see pineapple carrot. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. This is Lumber Kitchen. Recipe for today is some curry chicken back. So this is a recipe I got nice. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients them. Let me prepare my recipe. Alright? Alright, so we're going to start from the chicken back. See chicken back here you can see this is like 3 pound of chicken back. We have some vinegar to wash the chicken back. Known as, see spice them here. You have some Maggi all purpose, Maggi chicken, you have the pepper, you have the Irish, you have the carrot, you have the onion, you have the ginger, you have the turmeric, we have the garlic, pimento seed, also we have the thyme, some scallion, and see curry here, right? And on the side we have some juice. So we have some pineapple juice, ginger, and some cucumber. Please to like and share. Remember, curry chicken back with roast breadfruit. It's a recipe I got nice, delicious, eatable, finger licking, tasteable. Remember to like and share. Alright, peeps can see, starting by washing the chicken back. Use the vinegar, right, in the water. So I'm going to remove our excess fat of the chicken back. Excess fat and so like this. Cut off body part like this. And dig out all in like this. Dig out all the belly inside here. Clean out them waist here. I'm going to cut the chicken back more small. Remember, curry chicken back and I cut them more smaller. Well, cut them your choice, and cut them my choice. But me, cut them more small, right? It's a recipe of the nice people. Curry chicken back. Recipe of eatable, tasteable, delicious. Yes, some people can see. We have some pine skin here, garlic, ginger, turmeric, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. So we're going to add this in blender, right? So remember scallion, turmeric, ginger, garlic, onion, thyme, pimento seed. So we're going to add this in the blender. We're going to blend it, right? You can see. Hope you can see. So we're going to tip the water to it. Not really enough like these, right? I want the green season for them. Like it like these, right? So start blending. People see, I'm on green season blend already and so the color pretty and the turmeric give a pretty color there. The money. Recipe have a nice, tasteable, eatable. That piece of chicken back the whole wash and clean up and prepare and cut up how you want them. You can cut them how you like them, but cut them how you want them. So I'm going to add some chicken, seasoning to it, Maggi. I'm going to add some all-purpose Maggi to it. like these. So I'm going to add some green blend spice to it. Right, so I'm going to rub it in like this. The recipe I got nice, man. I make that one stay for 10 hours, right? I will lock it for 10 hours. See, now so I'm going to lock it for 10 hours, right? It won't stay in a season for 10 hours before me use it, right? Yeah. Yes, my peeps, see there. Cucumber blend up on it, pineapple, some ginger. Yeah, man. Outside, that's it. Young people see there, roast breadfruit outside. Yeah, man. Roast breadfruit, you know. Outside, curry chicken back. Right. Yeah, my peeps, so I go on there. 10 hours that smoke fire season, you know. So, you know, we outside, it's roast breadfruit, and back pineapple chicken back, you know. Pineapple curry chicken back. You can see highly hot. See spice in here. We have some pineapple skin, garlic, and ginger. Normally, yeah, man. Remember Jamaican cooking, remember Jack, you know, pineapple chicken back. You can see all like green spice and one thing there. Yeah. You know, peas outside, see? You want pineapple chicken back and you know, add some water to it and you want to cook for them. You know, people. Add a little more water to it in the fire, don't you know? Chicken back is something tough, you know, so you full of water. It cooks off, right? Because we not pressure it. This is going to cook down. Alright, people, some green seasoning cut up on things, carrot, pepper, Irish, some garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, some blend season right there. Recipe I got nice, man. Pineapple chicken back outside. Outside, my people, some green seasoning there. Outside, my people, some green seasoning, some carrot, pepper, Irish, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, some blend season. See pineapple there. Remember, pineapple curry chicken back there. See chicken back there. Yeah, my peeps, breadfruit peel and thing there, see? Yeah, man. Never show me a peel still, but my mistake next time again. So I say, pineapple chicken back curry down. Simmer down there, see? Look what my peeps who are going there chicken back now. Yeah, man, pineapple chicken back, you know. Every time I put one dash off fire, there's no reason why, but you know, dash it to the still. Just straighten it up. Mother's Day, my particular fine Mother's Day cooking. You must see breadfruit well peeled and pretty, you know, see? Yeah, man, you must see a fried breadfruit now. Pineapple chicken back. Pineapple curry chicken back, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, please, add in the green seasoning, man. Put the pineapple chicken back, right? Add in the green seasoning and thing, you know. Some garlic clove there, see me. People see there, pineapple curry chicken back. Pineapple curry chicken back. Pineapple curry chicken back. See that? Pineapple curry chicken back. Pineapple curry. Yo, this is the recipe at night. You can see it. You want some more minutes? You want 7 more minutes? No phone scream dog still, but don't worry. Yes, my people, no phone scream dog still, but don't worry. Soon get a phone, man. Zed. Soon I get a phone. Cause I don't want me and things so. I tell them thanks for your support and things. You know what I say? Thanks for your viewers them. And thanks for your likes. Thanks for all of our comments here. You see it. Give thanks for everything here. And I say, without them I can't support. Without them I can't survive at the media. Who not give me the strength and things. You see it. Since I don't love thing and things. Soon get a phone. You can support this support there, right? See, I heard you. Please big up on yourself and thanks for your support. You hear that? God bless you. All I want outside. Please remember Mother's Day cooking in the morning outside the seed. I love more jacking up. And tell you your Mother's Day cooking pineapple, curry chicken back and fried breadfruit. It's like a delicious, eatable, nice. And I'm gonna turn breadfruit them cause some people want them well brown and but me you know might eat them strong so I'm not for I can't make my own them crispy seed. Some people want for them soft, some want it brown. You don't know my teeth them strong. You want my one extra brown. Alright? So you don't pot liquid, so want a bigger pot still, but so you go yeah. Big pot inside, but we just feel like one of these. Yeah. But don't worry, take your time for another pan of years, you know? Outside. One order, you see it? So simple. Put them back in one order. Fried breadfruit are ramp rough outside, you hear that? Fried breadfruit are ramp rough. Yeah, man, see them crystal brown and pretty there. Yeah, man, ready for eat, you know? Yeah, my peeps see there. Roast fried breadfruit there. See pineapple, curry, chicken back a sweet there. Dig it up, you know? Yeah, man. So I go on outside. The recipe are nice, you know, man. Carrot and the Irish pineapple and thing. See chicken back the whole cook down and nice. Careful, well rich. The stove there, I see them, man. Those two, so we don't like the stove again, you know? Cold stove cooking. Yeah, man. So I go on indoor there. Whole I spice them there. Yeah, my people, so I want the pineapple chicken back ready, you know. Pineapple, curry, chicken back with fried breadfruit. You can see pineapple skin there, see pineapple, carrot, see Irish there. You can see chicken back over there, well curry down, well pineapple down, see fried breadfruit there. We have some pine over here with cucumber and ginger. You know, a Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Dinner time. Mother's Day dinner time, I'm out. Alright, my peeps. Happy Mother's Day. You know, say, I some pineapple, curry chicken back aside, and some fried breadfruit. Outside. Chicken back. Well, curry down. Pineapple, yeah. Well, curry down. See carrot, yeah. It's nice, good to my eyesight. Irish. Yeah, nice people. Cucumber and pine, no? With ginger, delicious. Yeah, my people know, say. Today, Mother's Day is it. Just the hour of virus too. Big up all our mothers them, hear that? Happy Mother's Day to all our mothers them. Out here man, outside. Pineapple. Curry chicken back and nice. So, pine this. Yeah, it's clean part, huh? Give me a different flavor, nice. People try it. Please, not beg you to try it. And give me a thumbs up. It's nice. Vegetable, flavor. I'm out. Pineapple, curry chicken back with fried breadfruit.